Hey G-Squad, welcome back on episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a case that's used for an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And you can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much they do probably got a little warranty card. And right here we do have the case. So I do take it out. Right here is basically what the case looks like. And we see the way how they designed it is basically an all clear design. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It does feel really soft for the back part. And then for the inside right here, it basically has that kind of material inside. But when you guys look carefully inside, throughout the product, especially for the corners, they do have the material inside to give you guys that shock proof or give you guys that shock impact. So that way if you guys do accidentally drop your phone, it will have that protection built in. Like when you look at the corner right here, you can definitely see that protection that's built in. But first I'm actually putting on the phone to show you guys what the case looks like with the phone on. So all you need to do is clip it on. Once you guys do clip it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So definitely in the back part, they do give you guys that clear view design so that we can see everything in the back. Especially if you guys want to show off like your iPhone, etc. Right here we do have the opening for the lens. But when you guys look at it from the side, if you guys can see right here, it's lifted up just a little bit to give you guys that protection. So that way if you guys do drop it, you don't have to worry about it. But right here we do have the button on this side. And then here we have the other side. And then here we have the bottom. And when you guys look at the corner right here, after you guys do put on the phone, if you can see that protection on the corners. And even when you guys look at the front part right here, it's raised up just a little bit to give you guys that extra protection as well. And for this case, since it is an all clear design case or diamond clear case, they mentioned how you guys don't have to worry about the case getting yellow over time because of the material that you use on here. And if you guys notice, once you guys do put it on, the case itself is pretty thin. It doesn't really stick out that much. And when you guys do grip it, it actually feels pretty nice. It does have the non-slip material on here on the side, so that way you guys don't have to worry about it sliding off your hand as easy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality all clear design case that can use for your iPhone 14 Pro Max or even for iPhone 14 Pro. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.